Let's just open our case for some of our 100-degree eyepieces. And because I'm going to compare the Televue Ethos 21 with the APM 20mm. You know it with other names, Sky Rover and Techno Sky and others. Skywatcher also is the same. I carried the eyepieces in this bag to the field, and I'm now here with several 20mm eyepieces. I will compare this 21mm Ethos with a 20mm APM. Both are 100-degree eyepieces. And the telescope I'm using is a Skywatcher ED80 80mm, focal length 600mm. It's an Apochromatic telescope. And first I will be using Televue 21mm Ethos 100-degree eyepiece. I put a Televue eye guard to extend the view, but that makes it easy for when you're observing. And I will be looking at those flowers there, some roses and some love artichokes. Let's go and see how is the view. And that was the view through the Televue Ethos 21mm 100-degree eyepiece. Now I'm using the APM HDC 20mm 100-degree eyepiece. You can find it under the name of Sky Rover and Techno Sky and others. It's basically the same eyepiece from the same Chinese optical laboratory. Let's just see how is the view through this. And that was the view through the APM HDC 20mm 100-degree eyepiece.